Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss some questions which are very important from CBSE's point of view. So there are 3-4 questions that we are going to discuss. So first question is based on trigonometry and you have to use identities to prove the given one. So let's start with this. We take first the LHS. This is 1 plus cot theta. So according to the golden rule that we have already discussed in my previous video. So we will be following golden rule. The first golden rule is that you have to convert everything into sine and cos. So this I can write 1 plus cot is cos theta upon sine theta, and tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta, and this is already in sine theta, so let it be, don't change this. And sec is 1 upon cos cube theta, and this is 1 upon this is cosec cube theta. So change, there is a change, so we convert that also into sine, so this can be written as sine cube theta. And after this, the next golden rule was that you have to take LCM and common and do the simplification according to the requirement. So here you can see that we have to take LCM in the first bracket, so this will be sine theta into cos theta, and this will be then sine theta into cos theta, and this will become cos square theta, and this will become sine square theta. You close this bracket, and next one is this sine theta minus cos theta. And now in this denominator, you see you have this cos cube theta, sine cube theta, and here it will be then sine cube theta minus cos cube theta. So we can simplify this. We can write it sine theta into cos theta, and this is 1, so make it 1, because sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and this bracket it will remain as it is. And now we can use the reciprocal rule to, we can write it sine cube theta cos cube theta, and in the denominator it will be sine cube theta minus cos cube theta. So now you see that what you can cancel, this is sine cube, this is cos, so this can be cancelled with this 1 power, and this cancelled with this, and here you can apply a cube minus b cube. The identity you must remember that a cube minus b cube is, I am writing the identity here, a cube minus b cube is a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So we are going to apply this identity. This is sine theta into cos theta plus 1, and this is sine theta minus cos theta, and here it is now sine square theta into cos square theta. Now we apply the identity, so it will become sine theta minus cos theta sine square theta plus cos square theta plus sine theta into cos theta. So now you can see this can be cancelled, and after making this as 1, so this will become sine theta minus into cos theta plus 1, this is the first bracket, and this is sine square theta into cos square theta, and this is 1 plus cos theta into sine theta. So these two brackets are also same, you can cancel this, so your answer has come now, sine square theta into cos square theta, this is equal to RHS. So you have seen that how I have followed the golden rules, and every question based on the identities can be solved with the help of these two golden rules. Now I will be discussing this question number 2. which is really very important question, and if it comes in the CBSE exam, then it will be asked for 4 marks, and students find it very difficult, but here we are going to show you that how it can be solved very easily. It's given that this angle B is 90°, this length AC is C, small c, and this length is B and this length is A, and you have to show that radius of this circle which is inscribed by this triangle will have a radius R equal to A plus B minus C by 2. So you see how we can do. So we have to write solution in the way that we should be able to get this answer. That first we have to do a small construction. You draw perpendiculars. This is, and you know that perpendicular is always, radius is always perpendicular to the tangent, perpendicular to the here you can see this is a tangent, so it is perpendicular to this. So similarly this is also 90°, this is also 90°, and now next you join this center of the circle to A, B, C. So after joining like this is also radius, so this is also radius. So now what we can do, we can write the solution that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle AOB plus area triangle BOC plus area triangle AOC, because this ultimately you see these this triangle has been, you can be seen in 3 parts. These 3 parts are AOB, BOC and AOC. So now let's put the values of all the areas. The area of triangle ABC is 1 by 2 base into height. Base is B and height is A. So this is 1 by 2 BA. Area of triangle AOB. AOB is base is A and your radius is this radius is your height. So 1 by 2 A into R. Similarly BOC. You see BOC is also the base is B and height is R. So this is 1 by 2 B into R, and area AOC is again 1 by 2 C small c, and this is R. So you can see that 1 by 2 is coming common throughout. So you can cancel it from both sides after taking it common from RHS side. So now it's BA equal to AR plus BR plus CR, or you can write BA, you can take R common, so A plus B plus C. I have seen maximum students are doing up to this point, but they forget like what should be done after this, because you have not still got the solution. So student, you have to remember one very important thing, and that is that what is given to you. Have you utilized all the given informations? So we have not utilized all the given information. Now you see that your triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, and you can apply Pythagoras theorem in that. So we can write this inside. In triangle ABC, you can see that C square will be equal to A square plus B square. Again student, some of the students they do find this relation that C square equal to A square plus B square, but after that they stuck somewhere and they are not able to, what should be done after this. So now what you can do, we can write this C square is equal to, this is A plus B whole square minus 2AB. We can write it like this. Now you may ask why you are writing this, because somewhere we have to see how we can bring the answer. So now this is fine. So from here 2AB, you can write 2AB, you bring 2AB this side. So this will become A plus B whole square minus C square. So now you apply 2AB, A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square, you know the identity. So it is A plus B plus C, and this is A plus B minus C, and AB will be then A plus B plus C, A plus B minus C, and by 2. So use this information in equation number 1. So we'll write using star in equation 1. You see BA, the value of BA is A plus B plus C, A plus B minus C by 2, and this is R, A plus B plus C. So you can cancel this factor because this is the common factor. So your radius is now A plus B minus C by. So particular reason the question why they have been given. So please think and try to do questions. First you always think what is question, and after understanding the question you make out the ways of finding the solution. Once you have particular method or particular way to solve the problem, then you may solve the problem with the chosen method. And lastly, you may verify whether your answer is right or not. So this can be checked very easily.